We have been with DMP now for about 5 months. Felt like it was a really good fit in the central Pennsylvania area. It does have a good quality product. I knew of the product from previously, and it does a really nice job. It also meets the needs of both burglar, fire alarm, the access control ends of things, and we'll also do the video. I've actually appreciated what DMP brings to the table. This venue that they have going right now is a good opportunity to not only learn more about the DMP product, but it gives me an opportunity to talk with other dealers of DMP, learn about how other people are doing things. I think it's a good venue to come to. It's a really rejuvenating experience. It does give you the opportunity to meet all the other dealers, learn how other people are doing things, and just gives you a little bit of a wider perspective on how you can potentially improve your company.